it long like that. Be like, play soccer, Kristen.
Okay, let's go. Don't kick it at me because I got 2 electronicals.
I think we should ask her first.
Look what I'm playing with. Ooh, iPhone. No, iPod Touch. Dude, I don't have Wi-Fi connection.
Knock on the door, Uncle.
I like how you scream, Miranda.
It's like her dead wrong of it. She's almost like...
Miranda!
I'm playing with a lighter, Mom. Look, I'm playing with a lighter. You can't friggin' see it.
Watch him get that tree. Nope. She hasn't given me an answer yet. Miranda!
Yeah. Oh, you can see me. Okay, put fire out.